Buyers who are hungry for features are going to absolutely love this property right here in Raceview. 4 bedrooms, ensuite, double car accommodation, 2 separate living areas, gotta love privacy, big solar system on the roof, and wait till you check out the massive outdoor area. It's got everything in this home, including a remote electronic front gate. Anyway, if you're looking for a great neighbourhood close to schools, shops, everything that your family could possibly need, this is the one you need to look at. Call me, Facebook me, email me, virtual inspections are our specialty. Anyway you look at it, you just have to look at it.